What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Circa, the opening day, to do a room tour of the single king room in room 2222 on the 22nd floor. Let's check it out. All right, so coming into this newly built room, you have a nice air entryway. Looks a little clean, a little elegant. Immediately to your right, you have a full body mirror with a huge ring light around it. So if you need to check yourself out before you hit this strip, won't have any issues with that. Making our way into the room, we'll start going over here to the left. This is the bathroom, so let's get some light in here because it is a little dark. You've got a switch over here. And this is your bathroom. This is a very nice, clean bathroom. So as you see, you do have dual vanity sinks. You've got some light, or you have some mirrors above both. And then here in the middle, you do have a vanity space. So if you need to glamify yourself, you have a section for that. And then around this corner, you have a toilet space. So there isn't a closed off water closet, but you do have an isolated area for the toilet. And then here is the walk-in shower. So let's open this door. It's a little tight, but it's very sealed. And this is a clean, nice walk-in shower. Very nice updated tiling. You have your dispensers here for the shampoo, conditioner, and the body wash. Got a nice gold shower head above. So very, very, very clean, nice looking walk-in shower. It's a very nice bathroom. Definitely tell they put some work into it. So coming out of your bathroom, this is your closet. So in the closet, open up both of these doors. So here is going to be your lit up side. You've got your hangers, and then up above is a bag that is a steamer. I'll open that momentarily. And then you do have an in-room safe. So if you need to lock up your valuables, you have a space for that. Looks like Circa also has a notice that you can have rates up to $999 for a single or double occupancy. That's crazy, but at least they're letting you know ahead of time so you don't have any surprises if you see any charges. Now, before we go into the room, over here you do have a, if I can get in focus here, you have a digital control thermometer. So as we'll go through the room, you'll see that there's plenty of options to control the temperature and the lighting, but you have that there. So we're in the main part of the room. This is like your desk workspace. So this is opening weekend. I wanted to save this for the video. I'll open this up live. So this looks like a welcome kit. Here it looks like we've got some dice and some other goodies in here. Looks like a card from Circa. I guess I'll open that. I'll take a picture and put that in the video. And what else do we have here? It looks like here we have, I'm not sure what that is actually, but I'm gonna guess these feel like these might be playing cards. So nice little welcome kit. But this is your work desk space. So if you needed to do some work, you have a space. Looks like you've got a cord right there. It looks like a phone cord. Those are some standard outlet charging. There is a USB charger in there. Down here below, you do have an empty mini refrigerator. So if you want to keep your drinks cool, you can. Nice, clean looking mini refrigerator. And this champagne, y'all know I love champagne. That's a good look in my book. You do have ice bucket and cups. And then here you have the wall mounted flat screen TV. So that is across from the bed. And then here you have like an extra chair or another space for guests. And on over to the bed space. This is your king size bed. Very, very nice king size bed. Seems that gold and blue is their theme here. It's really nice. You also have a sectional couch. So if you have guests, you do have a place for them to relax. And then above the couch, you've got this nice Lucky Sevens photo above, of course, to match the Vegas theme. And then you've got a nice mirror above. This is not a pull-out bed. It's just a standard couch. So feels nice and soft and comfortable. So if you needed to sleep on that, you could. Just real quick over here by the bed, You have a tablet here. I'm gonna believe this is a Bluetooth speaker. You have options for guest services. Looks like you can also play music here on the radio, which I'm not going to because I don't need any kind of copyright going on. But you can also control the temperature and all of that from this tablet. If I can get it focused, yeah, you can control all of the temperature and all of that bedside, so that's cool. But another nice feature, you can control all of the lighting from this switch here. So just for video purposes, we'll cut off all of the lights. That lights up, and then we're gonna just hit bright. And that's how you can cut on all the lights. But if you wanna do any type of dimming, you can hit this, you can play around with all of that. We're not gonna take all day with that. And then on the bed, you have some switches here. So I'll hit this button here just to control the overhead reading lamps. For those of you who might want to read bedside or need some lighting bedside, you can control that switch. You do have an extra chair here and another lamp on the other side of the bed. And we are downtown, so the view from this room, you get a nice view of downtown Vegas. No Fremont Street view, but you do get a nice view from this room. And that's gonna do it for this video of Circa. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.